I just wanted to showcase another thing which I implemented last night, which is the execution of external programs on button press. The idea is, if we look at the inner side here, that I have these so-called servo sticks, which basically can switch between 4-way and 8-way, as you can see here. That's one of the servo sticks. And older games, for instance, one have a 4-way control because, for instance, Pac-Man, because they only allow 4 directions. And if you have those corner directions, those anchor directions, then you sometimes will get a failed result. The games become way easier if you can switch to 4-way here. The idea is basically that I have an executable which issues a command over the USB to switch those connections. I'm going quickly to switch one of those. Hold on a second. Let's quickly go to the terminal here. And let's switch to 4-way. Sorry, I'm holding the camera in the other hand. 4-way. So that's it. And if you want to hear, if you can hear the sound, then you will see that it's going to switch. Now let's have a look. We now are here in 4-way mode. As you can see, the corners now become the main directions. So what does the extent? Oh, sorry. Let's go quickly back. Okay. What does the extension do? I basically have software wired now those commands into my mapping, and if I press, for instance, this button here, let's press it. You can hear the clicking sound. Let's go back. Then I'm going to show you the action. As you can see here, the servo is now switching. So how is this done? That's rather easy. If we go to our config file, that's the YAML file, then we have a new driver type. Let's quickly switch to driver type for the output driver, which is an exec driver. An exec driver means whatever you pass will be executed. And to apply that one, let me quickly go to... Sorry, that was the alarm. Analog stick, right analog stick. If you go to the right analog stick where those buttons are wired into, now we have 2 event codes, the button top 2 and the button top, which is the left button of the 2 buttons I've shown and the right button of the buttons I've shown. And if we press one of those buttons, then the exec driver is executed. And here there's something new. That's basically the first event, which is not coming in from event test, but that's a meta event. And the meta event has just some metadata, which is the executable here. Meta just means some data is passed to the driver, and whatever the driver does with it is up to the driver. In our case, it's an executable driver, so we are going to execute this command here. That's about it. Okay, let's quickly switch back and forward. Back, forward. Yeah, that's about it about the new functionality.